this alert that I'm going to set is not to enter. It's just to let me know that it broke this level. That's all it is. I'm also going to set an alert down here, and it's not to enter. It's just to let me know that it did pull back, and now I can possibly reset the alert so that I can enter. I always have the beginner mindset. Why are we waiting? Like, why don't we just enter now? Why didn't we enter here? Well, we didn't enter here because we can see that it's in this range. It'll continue being in this range until it either breaks up or down. And literally, that's how trading is. And I hate saying it. Man, do I hate saying it. I used to hate it when I used to ask my mentor, is the price going up or down? Like, tell me. Well, if it does this, then you have a chance of it going up. But if it breaks this level, then you have a chance of it going down. Dude, you did not even clarify. You're still saying up or down. It's an if, then statement. If the price does this, then we look for this. If the price does this, then we look for this. Because we don't know. We don't know what's going to happen. So there are so many people that give you information without specifics. And this is where I believe I give more value to you. Because what I do is I tell you the who, what, where, when, why, especially the why. Why are we doing what we're doing? But in addition to that, I don't just say buy the breakout, buy the retest, enter when this happens. I give you very specific information. And because I give you very specific information, I hold myself accountable for these trade setups that I do. YouTube, 107%, 2 days. Does this always happen? Nope. Do I always, on every single coin that gets mentioned to me, do I say, enter here, enter here? No. Like this one right now, we have to wait, because it would really be bad if you entered now and you had to wait a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks while everything else is moving, but your coin isn't. Now you're stuck in that coin. Posted this one in my group. So of course the group gets these calls first, and then I post it on YouTube sometimes. For this one, it was 48%. This one is 3 hours. Now this one, to be honest, I made a video about this. I do a lot of research, guys. Like when I say I do research, I do research. I like the project, and this is in our DEX group. This is a group that I specifically made for these higher risk trades, because they're not on centralized exchanges. They're not on Binance, KuCoin, MEXC, BloFin. They're on a decentralized exchange. You can access them through Uniswap, MetaMask wallets, Phantom wallets, stuff like that. And I show you how to do all this stuff. Now, I just opened this group maybe a month ago, probably, I don't know. And I didn't charge any extra to my group. After I opened my group for these DEXs, 2 days later, the guy who I'm always watching 5 minutes so I can get content from, he ended up saying, I just added another group. It's only $300 one-time fee for this extra group. And then he goes on to say that how he is a self-made multi-millionaire. Yeah, for me, I want to get rich with you. Not because of you. If you do not have my free portion of Patreon, I strongly recommend you do it, because I put videos on there, audio clips, PDFs, thought process information in there that I don't share with YouTube. Now, of course, all this stuff is already for the VIP. They have it first, of course. Then I'll wait a little bit and then post it to the free portion of Patreon. Man, if you're not a member, you are missing out. There's a lot of free videos, a lot of free thought process. I go over the concept of, because we have 4 phases of the bull run. Phase 1, run up. Phase 2, the retracement, the pullback. You want to take a profit. Phase 3 is when we start doing accumulation and start buying again. Phase 4 is when it's great. It's pretty much like phase 1, but this time we go higher. And I go over all this information in that video that I have for the free version of Patreon. And I believe I put this also for my YouTube members. Now, I do get questions as far as the YouTube memberships, because there's different tiers. Do they get the same stuff as the VIP? No, definitely not. I give you 0 excuses on not making money this season. So 1, you can get it for free here right now, 1 hour every single day. 2, you can do the YouTube memberships. They have the lowest tier, a middle tier, and the high tier. Depending on what tier you get, depends on the amount of information you get. Then, of course, we have the VIP. That's the goal. You know, all these baby steps are for you to make money so that you can get into the VIP. Now, if you have money, don't waste your time. Get the VIP. You're gonna make money. I show you my wins. I show you my losses. I give you my thought process, even if it doesn't play out. Unlike other people who they want a big head and a big old ego and look at me, I'm always right. And no, man, like I show you the reality of trading. I really do. My trading has improved greatly since I joined your group. Thank you. And this is my group. If you cannot afford this, some people can't afford this, and I don't want any barriers. I want zero barriers. One, you can watch it for free. Ask me questions. This is a 1 hour I dedicate to you, so you can ask questions about indicators, about trading styles, about just questions you may have. There are no dumb questions. They're either questions we've had before or haven't thought of. Now, if you want to help support the channel, well, then here's 3 different tiers. The higher the tier, the more you get. We got training videos. You have access to me. I respond extremely quick. Reach out to me on Telegram. It's trade_intuition. Ask me, hey, what does your group do that others don't? Here's the concept. This is what I'm showing you on YouTube as well. You set your targets. You sell 50%. You set your next target, sell 50%. You let the rest ride. And then, you know, time goes on, it dips or whatever. Then you can add again. You set your target, sell 50%, set your target, sell 50%, and then let the rest ride. And you're going to be amazed, man. You're going to be amazed because you're going to forget about these coins. You're going to go into something else, something else, something else, something else, or you may be revisiting this coin ever so often, and you're going to realize that in 8 months, 12 months, whatever it's going to be, because you didn't sell 100%, let's say the first time you left $50 in, second time you left, let's say $100 in. So you have 150 in, and that 150 turns into 1,500. Just watch. Like, don't believe anything I say. Do not believe me. Verify. Try it out. See if it works. And you'll be very, very surprised that it does. For this one, we posted on YouTube. Enter now. Enter now. Lower bids here or whatever it was. 100%. Like I'm literally showing you, like, you can make this money. This is what I offer you. I have nothing to sell you. Now, if I had something to sell you, I would be like a different person. I would be like, my attitude would be different. My thought process would be different. I wouldn't show you my losses. I'd only show you the wins. I'd only show you the winning thought process that played out. Here, I show you everything. There's times where the coin goes down and I say, I would have entered and I would have been stopped out because the only person I'm tricking is myself and of course you, but I would have entered right here because it did all my rules. I would have entered and I would have been stopped out. It's okay to get stopped out. That's what these mentors don't want you to do. They just want you to think they win all the time. Sure, do they lose sometimes? Sometimes, sure, but they win. And that's how they trick you. For me, I have nothing to sell you. That's why I show you everything. This is an offer. If you want it, great. If not, you can get everything for free on YouTube. It'll take you longer, but you'll get everything for free. I do thank you very much. Again, my passion is to help people not get bamboozled by all these people who, like, they're multimillionaires and they're literally elevating themselves by stepping on their members' backs and tricking new members to come in. Please don't be one of those. Watch what I do. I'm here for you. I will make you money, not financial advice. None of this is financial advice, but just see what I do. See if I make you money. All right, guys. Well, I do thank you very much. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where I show you that you really can make money without overcomplicating everything. I do thank you guys so much. We'll see you next time. Until then, let's make this money. Take care.